You got that cracked open good. All right. With the little spoon. And the cat jumped over the moon with the little spoon. I need the little spoon. All right, now we are ready to get a close up and get to cooking this chili. Let's go. It should be ready. Oh, before I get ready, let me crack a beer. So we've been practicing this concept, burning food. That's part of the reason why I've been burning food, y'all. We've been practicing our close-up concept, and it has not been successful cooking food. But I was like, I kept telling myself, like, you know what, G? It's going to get better. Did we get blurred up? Damn, how'd that happen? All right. I was like, it's going to get better. You just got to keep practicing. I was like, how do I do this, G? Pretty easy. So we cut the light on. Boom. Roll light. There you go. What game is she looking at? Brown that meat. Brown that meat, Bubba. So while that's browning, I'm gonna move that around a little bit. This was you with the hot plate tamale, making your chili. And chili, this chili ain't got no sugar and all. You can throw sugar in it if you want, but this is diabetic friendly. Chili is diabetic friendly. Now, once you eat the hot dogs, now hot dogs got sugar in it. Hot dogs can make it unfriendly. You talk in your sleep, young lady. You love chili? Anybody else love chili? Throw some emotes if y'all love chili, baby. So now we're gonna move over here, and we're gonna grab the onion and garlic seasoning. And we're gonna take the onion and garlic seasoning, move it over here, dump it in there. Get all that packet seasoning in there. Hold on, mother F a minute. There we go. And get that all in there. That's why I wasn't worried about using regular onion. I was like, I'm gonna throw the, because I would have put some dry powder onion in there anyway. This will work. This is dried onion and garlic. So it's going to extra garlicky because I already started my chili with garlic and oil. I'm a garlic fanatic. Sue me, y'all. Let me put that in there. Super garlic fanatic. I love garlic. Funky breath garlic guy. Feet smelling like garlic. You ever crack that joke? Your feet smell like garlic. You ever see somebody crack that joke? Feet. That's why your feet smell like garlic, man. Who is you to say my feet smell like garlic? Chop that up more. Chop it up. Now, we can add some more. Our next mission is, I like to you can put a tomato paste in there. But we got to do the cumin and oregano. Why would someone's feet smell like garlic? That's just... Just don't go testing to see how it smells. Do veggies belong in chili? You can do a vegetable chili. There is a such thing as vegetable chili. You can replace... There's veggie chili. Now you can use... I've seen people use tofu and to make a replacement for chili. Or soy meat, aka soy meat. But yeah, you can do it. You can just take vegetables and chop the shit up and turn them into chili. It's all good. You can do that. Veggie chili is not bad. I've actually had it. I've had it in chili competitions. People do different versions. I've tasted chili with oats in it. People had freaking put oatmeal in it and shit. It's all kind of crazy chili. Now, the biggest mistake of chili that I'll never forget, because the judges were eating it. Somebody had it in their mind originally from Louisiana. They wanted to throw fish in their chili. So they try to make like a shrimp etouffee version of chili. It was a chili shrimp etouffee. That didn't really spark the judges too good. The judges was like, damn, did this dude just put fish in his chili? I don't think there was anybody want any fish in their a fish version of chili. I mean, you can do a chili fish stew. You can do a stew, a fish stew, and you can throw chili. But they try to like pass a shrimp etouffee version of chili, and it just didn't work out with the judges, man. I think it was just a judges thing. Maybe if they called another judge, that would have been like down for it. It'd probably be a different story. But man, they wasn't too happy about that. They were like, Jesus, that's gross. They were mad. Fritos, yeah. Speaking of Fritos, we're gonna be doing Frito pie. We be making Frito pie dogs. We're gonna be Frito pie dogs too. I thought it was hilarious. Now, let's throw this chili powder in there. Get all that chili powder in there. Sheesh. Stir that in there real good. There you go. You get that chili powder in there, darken it up. Now we gotta add the chili paste. I like to add my water last. Once I add the water last, then I'll add the masa. Once I get in there, because cold water and masa, or cool water with it, it's gonna thicken that chili up. Give it a nice thick look. They claiming that this chili is gonna last till tomorrow. I highly doubt it. Chili never lasts in this house. They eat this mug, bowl and all. I was like, can we just throw some beans in there and stretch it? Some nice chili beans, some kidney beans. They're like, nope. Nope, we ain't gonna do that. I'm like, great. All right, hold on a second here. Nope. Set that right there for you. Hello. All right, let's go. We're gonna dump this tomato paste in here. Get all that tomato paste in there. Don't leave none of that tomato paste. Or you can use crushed tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes are great if you want to take fresh tomatoes. You got to dice them up really, really good. Get them all nice and juicy. You do crushed tomatoes, no problem. You can get the job done. It'll all cook down anyway. There you go. There you go. He said it right there. Diced tomatoes. So I told you can do it. All right. Now we want to. I'm gonna add water. Show y'all one more thing. Here we go back again. Woohoo! We're gonna add water, y'all. All right. So we need what else? Oh yeah, the spices. You gotta throw the spices in there. Before we add water, we need to finish throwing the spices in there. This is the stuff that's supposed to bring the heat, but honestly, this is a medium version of it. Ah, shit. My bad. This is a terrible way. I kind of burnt myself. Ouch. I kind of burnt myself there. Oh, ouch. Think I'm going to live. Okay, I'm going to be okay now. This one is tricky. All right, let's see here. Damn. I'm like, did not break. There you go. I'm like, come out, you son of a gun. Really? I guess I didn't cut it good enough. Didn't think, maybe I didn't cut it good enough, right? I gotta break it down a little bit. Oh, this sucks. If you wonder why you ain't hear from Skylar that much, Skylar had a bad day. We've been encouraging her to like really take a chill. She didn't have a good day, but she's got cheerleading or like cheer competition happening, so we got to get her focused. We get her goofing around. And this one didn't want to open up at all, but we got it out. Finally, we'll add the water. Now we need to add the water. Get it loose. All right, we'll add the water now. Booyah. And then finally, after that, we'll add the masa, which I hope I got the packet open for that. Masa's going to thicken the hell out that chili. No, I guess I didn't do it. Dumbass. All right. Corn masa. We haven't. Oh, I'm making a mess. We haven't done the tamales. Tamales is a challenge. Tamale. It's a challenge for me, so I'm not very good at it. But we do like to buy it from people who make it. That's a craft to make good tamales. Oh, look at me. I'm making a mess. I gotta clean it down. Everything. I gotta clean the whole kitchen up because I'm making a mess. All right. Add that masa in there. Thicken that chili up. Ooh, isn't that chili beautiful? Now we just gotta put it on low and walk away. Now, I'll come back and dolly it up some more if I need to add something to it, but should have everything we need in there. Just let it walk away. Put it on low and walk away. Put it on low and walk away. It did its thing. And we got to get back to the grill. We got to get that chicken on, y'all. It's probably at 500 damn degrees by now. Chili looks beautiful. Look at that. I'm ready for a competition. I'm ready for a chili competition. But yeah, usually if you're in a pinch and you get that ready made, you can like I said, it's all separated for you, and you ain't got to worry about measuring stuff. You can just dump it all. You just got to remember how you throw it in there. And I think that comes in handy. Hey, for a couple extra bucks, like $5 for a chili kit, I think it's like under $5 or something like that. Takes the stress off trying to remember it while you're cooking. But, you know, ain't nobody going to really forget. It's just that you just want to make it a little easy on yourself. Now, yeah, from there, you'll know the measure to put more.